Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox tutorial. In today's practice, we are going to find out how to create a recipe using MetaBox and Kadence. Here is an example. As you can see, this page is a single page that contains all the recipe information. Each recipe is saved in a post of a custom post type. There may be some different kinds of information, so you can use custom fields to separate them into different sections for easier styling. I have the Kadence with the Pro version here to have some extra types of blocks to flexibly display the information. There is also MetaBox to have a framework for creating custom post types and custom fields. You can download it directly from wordpress.org. We also need some MetaBox extensions to have advanced features. You can install them individually or use MetaBox all in one. Here are the extensions that we will use in this practice. MB Custom Post Type to create a custom post type for the recipes. MetaBox Builder to has a UI in the backend to create custom fields easily. Let's get started. Go to MetaBox and create a new post type for the recipes. After publishing, you will see a new menu displayed here. It's your post type. These are the fields I'll create for example today. There is a special field for the video. Instead of using the URL field, I recommend you to use the OEM. This field type allows us to display the video preview directly on the front end. Let's create all of these fields. First, choose the text field for these four kinds of time information. Then all the recipes will have the ingredients and instructions. Let's add a WYSIWYG field for it. I'm adding an OEM'd field for the video. For other information such as notes, nutrition and so on, add the WYSIWYG field. After having all the fields, move to the Settings tab, choose Location as Post Type, and select Recipe to apply these fields to it. When creating a new post in Recipes, you'll see all the created custom fields. Just fill in some information. Go to Kadence and create a new element for the recipe page. Set it as the template. Set a preview for easy following. In the placement section, choose Replace Single Post Content, and choose to show this template on the single page of the recipe's post type. Now, let's add some blocks to display the recipe information. Add a heading block. Then add dynamic data from the post title to display the recipe name. For this first section, there are two columns, so I add a row layout block. Choose the layout with the larger first column. In the first column, Add an advanced image block to display the dish image. Instead of selecting any image, just enable dynamic image for this block. Click on this button and choose the featured image from the drop-down list. Move to the second column to add the timing information. Each couple of lines like these will be a group. So add a group block for the first one. Inside the group, add a paragraph block. The timing information is saved in custom field, so add dynamic data to this block as well. Select Post Custom Fields and choose the corresponding field to get the right data. Add another paragraph block to name the information. Open the structure of the template to see it clearly. This block is in the wrong place, so move it into the group. The next three groups are the same with this group, so duplicate it. Just change the field. And change the text. Then you will get the right ones. Move on to the next sections. Just add a section block to cover each one. Add a heading inside it. Then add a paragraph. Also add dynamic content to it. Choose Post Custom Field and select the wanted field from the list. All the sections are quite the same, so just clone the created section, change the heading, and change the field as well. But there is a difference in the video section. Because the video is saved as an URL in a custom field as OEM, we should replace the paragraph block with a different one. To display the video preview from the URL, I recommend using the dynamic HTML block. Go to the HTML content setting, choose Post Custom Field, and choose the name of the field that you saved the video. Now, we've finished getting all of the information about the recipe. Back to the front end, you see all the recipe information is already displayed. For styling, go back to the page editor with Kadence. Then choose each component and change the settings to style them. Or in the case you want to use some CSS, just add classes for them. That's done. Let's see the page on the front end. That's the end of today's tutorial. If you want to try more, please watch other tutorials on this channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe us for more tutorials. Bye.